Ever tried washing your car with a bucket and sponge? Yeah, it feels like giving an elephant a bath with a toothbrush. That's why I grabbed the Blackline Foam Cannon to see if all that fluffy foam hype is real. First impression? This thing turns car soap into a mountain of shaving cream for your ride. I hooked it up to my pressure washer, and within seconds, my car looked like it was auditioning for a whipped cream commercial. The thick foam actually clings to the paint, breaking down dirt and road grime before you even touch it. Less scrubbing, fewer swirl marks. Your paint job will thank you. I tested it with a cheap soap and with a premium car shampoo. The cheap one worked, but the premium made the foam thicker than a milkshake. Build quality? Solid brass fittings, no leaks. And it feels like it'll last, unlike those bargain cannons that quit after 2 washes. Downside? If you don't have a pressure washer, forget it. This isn't made for your garden hose. So, is the Blackline Foam Cannon worth it? Absolutely. If you want that pro detailer look at home, it makes washing your car faster, easier, and way more fun. Honestly, it's like therapy, but with bubbles.